Hi everyone, it's Chi again, back to share more healing messages from my heart to yours. Today we are at my beautiful cabin, a different location than last time. We're up at the cabin level on the concrete patio, and down there is the river. And there are trees and beautiful plants and nature all around. It feels so wonderful to be here and so grateful to be able to share this with you. One day soon, I promise, I'm gonna have a wellness retreat here. It's a beautiful property. Come join me, visit my website, Joy Luck Club 777.com, and join the Starseed Revolution. We're all gonna heal together and learn how to co-create a new earth together and bring the vibration of love and light and peace and joy to the here and now. Let's tune in and take some deep breaths together. It feels so wonderful to be alive, to finally enjoy life in the present moment. And I have breast cancer and secondary lymphedema to show me the way to appreciate being here now in the physical body, loving myself, back to wholeness, back to health, here and now with you. You might have noticed that this arm looks a little different than usual. I'm trying out kinesiology tape that my naturopath recommended. It helps with redistributing the pressure on the skin to help it release the lymph fluid. And it looks a little funny, kind of like mummy-like, but I have to say it feels a lot more comfortable. It feels like all the pressure that was kind of concentrated in a certain area under my arm right here near the armpit, that pressure has been relieved quite a bit, just kind of redistributed with the tape. And so I kind of taught myself how to do the taping with YouTube videos. But my naturopath will probably go through it again with me next time I go see her to get my acupuncture. Anyways, just a tip if you're going through lymphedema to try kinesiology tape instead of compression sleeves. You know, the tape lets your skin breathe and redistributes more evenly that pull on the skin. So I just feel a lot more light and free and definitely more comfortable. So thumbs up on the tape. Now, I also start to feel better over time as, you know, my healing unfolds, right? My vibration continues to go higher as I release more and more. It's an endless journey. We're always releasing. There is no destination. You're always lightening up so that we can ascend to higher states of consciousness, right? feeling lighter in the body, feeling more peace in the body, feeling more complete, right? Feeling safe, feeling like I belong, finally, in my body, right? I don't feel threatened, not by cancer, not by anything that's going on out there. I feel really well. I feel very loved by all that is, by the whole universe, loving me and me loving the universe back. An infinite figure eight, back and forth, from me to you, back to the universe, and on we go. Healing together in this new earth, new fifth dimensional energies here to help us let go of the old fear-based, protective, fishbowl ego, limited view, a limited way of perceiving life. We're breaking out and experiencing life with all of its glory, the dark and the light, together at last. Healing, embracing, integrating, loving, renewing, and remembering who we are as spiritual beings, eternal spiritual beings, temporarily experiencing a 3D hologram where we're in a physical human body, having a life full of twists and turns and challenges, so that we may choose to grow, expand, love, forgive, rejoice, and appreciate all that we have. And let go. I'll say that again. Let go of the old fear-based, limited perspective. We are so much more than our 3D physical reality implies. We are multidimensional, spiritual energy beings. We create everything that we experience with God, with the universe, together as one, inseparable consciousness, form expressed as me, consciousness expressing as us, playing in this 3D beautiful reality, right? So to get to this place of complete love and acceptance, where I'm healed and whole and embracing my outer reality as just an extension of me, and allowing the good and the bad to just be together without me judging, without me resisting pain and suffering and resisting what I consider to be bad and chasing what I consider to be good or pleasurable, feeding my addictions. No, you let go of all that, right? You move into the now. You feel complete, content, and whole. You let go of all the addictions, food, cigarettes, alcohol, TV, whatever you're addicted to. Just let it go and just be here now with yourself. Loving, yourself right where you're at. And allowing your body to relax and feel safe and feel wanted, right? Remember, one thing about Cancer is the Cancer is a dis-ease within oneself, right? You have to ask yourself, why is the Cancer within the body? Why is there dis-ease within body? Why is there distortion? Is there some part of me that is sabotaging my body, that is resisting life, that is fearful of life? Okay? Go into that, move into that with your breath, with your loving awareness, right? Remember, we love the wounded ego back to wholeness. We create space for the fishbowl ego to come out and expand and feel the light, okay? Right? Because the ego has no idea, right? And we've been identified with the ego for eons, right? And now finally there's space. Finally there's a little bit of space to move through the blocks created by ego, because it just didn't know that it was really the universe manifested as me. Okay, it didn't know that, and so it made choices and reacted to situations in fearful and limited perspectives because it just didn't know. It doesn't know. It can't know because it's not meant to know. It's meant to protect its separation from source. That's the purpose of the ego. Okay? Remember, you're both ego and source. The two are together. If ego didn't exist, there would only be source. Hint, right? So what is ego? But your creation. Without it, you'd just be formless source energy. You'd be one with all that is, right? And there would be no point to this hologram. But we are both. So the ego must exist, but it must exist in wholeness, so that the decision maker is now self-aware and conscious and no longer asleep in the matrix, letting ego run the show. And ego cannot be running the show forever because it's not designed for that, okay? Right? It's designed to work in conjunction with source energy, with your true self. Okay, right? So, remember your true self, okay? Could be asleep in the matrix. We're all at varying levels of self-awareness. Some of us less aware than others by design, right? Because we have to go through cycles of losing ourselves in our creations, getting lost down and dirty with it, and then cycling back out, learning from those experiences, but then reaching higher, knowing that within you there is a will for expansion, a will for growth, a will to experience more of your true self. Okay, right? Okay. You are not your ego, right? Just sometimes you just get a little lost and we forget. Okay, right? So self-mastery is about balancing, okay? Coming into lucidity, coming into present moment awareness, observing egoic thoughts, okay? Observing feelings, observing sensations, okay? Then responding from the place within, responding as source expressed through me. Yeah. And that's how healing works at a quantum level, right? How we go beyond space and time, okay? We reach beyond the 3D world, okay? We become spiritual beings, again, remembering our connection to our source. And once that remembrance is triggered, okay, even though there is no destination, you have tapped into the frequency of home. So home is not a destination. It is a frequency, a vibration of energy that is so pure, so loving, so light, okay, so incredibly blissful. It judges not. It is pure potential. It is the home frequency that we are from. Okay? I am broadcasting it, embodying it in my body, this home frequency, to share so that you might remember and start broadcasting your home frequency of pure love and light. And before long, the entire world will be lit up with starseed light. Peace and joy is your natural state of being, if you choose it. The power is within you. That's my message for today. Until next time, I love you, I honor you, and bless you on your journey. Namaste.